We have seen what hosting and website mean and understood that websites are hosted inside servers. In this video, let's see what a domain, subdomain, TLD are and how do you land on a website when you type in the URL. Domain. Domain is the name of your website and that's how we access your websites, by typing in the domain name in our browsers. You can also access websites through their IP addresses. Like to access google.com, we can type in 172.217.163.110. But imagine remembering all the IP addresses for all the websites we use on a daily basis. It becomes very difficult very quickly. That's why domain names are introduced to access websites quickly and easily. TLD. You see that there is something after the domain name, right? In google.com, .com is short for commercial, and there are many other options which we can use instead of .com, like .in, which stands for India, .edu, which stands for educational. All these which comes after the name are called TLDs, which stands for top level domain. There are two types of TLDs: gTLD, which stands for Generic TLD, and ccTLD, which stands for Country Code TLD. .in in this instance stands for a Country Code TLD, and .edu is a Generic TLD. Generally, TLD tells a story about the domain name associated with it, such as the geographical location it was created in, its purpose, or the organization that owns it. Subdomain. In some cases, to organize things better or to offer a different service than what the main website is doing, or even when testing new features, we use a subdomain. A subdomain is accessed like this. Now let's put everything that we have learned till now. We understood what subdomains, domains, and top-level domain mean. Now let's look at how we land on a website when we type in the website's name. All websites are hosted in special computers which are called servers. Let us assume that our website is hosted in a server which is located in Singapore. When you type in the website address or URL in our browser, the browser connects to DNS. DNS is short for domain name server, which stores the details of every website and its server details. From the DNS servers, we get the real addresses of the server that the website lives on. Browser then sends a HTTP request to the server, asking it to send a copy of the website to our browser. This message and all the data sent between server and browser is sent across the internet connection using TCP/IP protocol. If the server approves our message, then server sends our browser a OK message, which means of course you can look at the website, here it is, and then start sending the website files to the browser as a series of small chunks called data packets. The browser assembles all the small chunks into a complete website and displays it to us. This is how we land on a website when we type in the website's name.